Financial services firms are seeing immense returns on artificial intelligence. 92% of these organizations report their AI investments are generating profit. These returns, however, are largely isolated. They stem from point solutions, deploying an algorithm to automate a specific, repetitive task within a single department, like scanning invoices or sorting customer emails. Expanding that success across an organization is proving exceptionally difficult. While nearly every firm profits locally, only 32% of financial institutions have managed to generate AI returns at an enterprise scale. Scaling modern financial technology requires moving beyond a departmental silo. It means integrating dynamic intelligence across the entire end-to-end value chain, from automated credit assessment to fraud detection and customer personalization. To cross the gap between a localized machine learning tool and enterprise-wide generative AI, banks have to unwind decades of outdated, deeply entrenched legacy architecture. Purchasing an advanced software license is a simple procurement task. Re-architecting an entire institution's data flow to actually utilize that software is a structural overhaul. Inside IT departments, the friction between new ambition and old infrastructure is immediate. Years of prioritizing short-term fixes over structural upgrades have created massive technical debt. This debt acts as a physical constraint on innovation, tying up resources in maintenance rather than development. The strain is measurable. 58% of executives report flaws in their foundational IT systems disrupt operations weekly. Generative AI requires continuous, dynamic data flows to function. When these collide with tightly complex legacy systems designed decades ago, the systems fracture. Because core banking and registry systems have been historically underfunded, engineers are forced to manually build fragile bridges between entirely incompatible technologies to keep operations running. Forcing a high-speed AI deployment into a brittle, monolithic structure does not accelerate the pace of innovation, it accelerates the rate of system failure. To survive this transition, digital leaders are dismantling the monolith in favor of composable architecture. By dividing functions into distinct modules connected by flexible APIs, institutions can isolate and replace a failing component without taking the entire bank offline. Capital is following this strategy. Over the next 12 months, 74% of financial organizations are actively diverting budgets away from maintaining legacy systems and toward new foundational technology. These decoupled modules require a highly elastic environment to operate efficiently, making public cloud platforms the mandatory hosting infrastructure for modern banking. Instead of building every function internally, an overwhelming 82% of organizations are prioritizing anything-as-a-service integrations, replacing outdated in-house functions with specialized cloud-hosted vendor solutions. Operating in a cloud-native state provides immediate mechanical advantages. The first is autoscaling, which allows the system to automatically adjust server resources to handle sudden spikes in consumer demand without crashing. The second is self-healing. Automated processes detect software failures and initiate recovery protocols instantly. This drastic reduction in downtime and manual intervention directly lowers the total cost of ownership. Moving to a composable, cloud-based architecture stops IT from functioning as a defensive cost center, turning it into an agile engine for growth. Rebuilding the structural plumbing with cloud servers and APIs is only the first step. The system is entirely dependent on the material flowing through it, the data. Historically, organizations treated automation as a tool-specific problem. Data was captured, stored, and siloed for a single narrow task, like feeding a robotic process automation script. This KPMG benchmark of financial sector data management highlights a lagging data interoperability metric at just 52. Consequently, AI algorithms are mechanically blocked from accessing the cross-departmental data required to generate accurate insights. Further down, data governance also stalls at 52. Rather than patching specific pain points, this end-to-end value chain transformation allows the entire service delivery model to operate on shared intelligence. Executing this blueprint requires specialized engineering, and current resources are scarce. Only 16% of organizations possess a workforce equipped to implement these generative AI architectures. Digital leaders bypass this talent bottleneck by taking an ecosystem approach to hiring. They co-invest with or partner directly with fintech startups to leverage their speed and specialized skills. When the architecture, data, and talent align, the results are comprehensive. A bank can deploy a fully automated credit assessment pipeline that pulls real-time data from customer history, market risk models, and external compliance databases simultaneously. Scaling artificial intelligence across an institution requires a complete redesign of the enterprise operating model. Even with a flawless, composable architecture, financial networks face a severe external threat: complex, rapidly expanding global regulations. The legal burden is heavy enough to stall progress. Currently, 75% of financial executives state that navigating complex regulatory developments is heavily denting their confidence to invest in new technology. Firms are bracing for a wave of stringent legislation, including the Digital Operational Resilience Act, the NIS2 Directive on Cybersecurity, and the comprehensive EU AI Act. These frameworks do not just impose minor fines. They mandate strict operational resilience, deep data transparency, and secure consumer data rights that must be hard-coded into the bank systems. There is a dangerous asymmetry in the market. Generative AI adoption is moving at hyperspeed, while the internal control environments meant to monitor these tools are adapting far too slowly. Deploying high-speed AI without simultaneously upgrading the compliance and security architecture guarantees future failure. It creates tomorrow's catastrophic technical debt today. The most effective solution to this regulatory burden is utilizing the technology itself, deploying highly specialized AI to govern and secure the broader AI ecosystem. Guided by ISO 42001, the first standard for secure AI management, an AI-powered compliance platform automatically synthesizes dense legal text into clear technical obligations. The system continuously evaluates the environment, detecting operational drift and discrepancies before they trigger a compliance failure. Relying on this automated, data-centric oversight is the only practical way executives can balance the aggressive push for technological innovation with uncompromising regulatory demands. To survive in this environment, digital leaders must completely abandon siloed departmental thinking. They must upgrade their legacy monoliths into composable networks, and they must establish ironclad data governance. Generative AI reaches its peak value when it is used to architect a secure, scalable, and resilient enterprise ecosystem.